In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your KFC account using your mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up the KFC app on our mobile device as we normally would. Now from here, we need to navigate to the lower right hand corner of the page to click onto more. And then from here, we need to click onto account. And now once we're inside account, we need to scroll down and click onto account settings. And now once we're inside account settings, we need to navigate lower. And once we're inside account settings, we need to navigate lower. And on the lower portion, it will say delete account. So what we can do is click on delete account, and then it'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete your account? Of course we are. So click on delete account. And then you'll take it to this page and it'll say you're signed out, we're going to miss you. So in order to reactivate your account, go ahead and click on sign in or sign in at a later date. I think you've got up to 30 days to re-sign in to activate your account. If you don't re-log in within 30 days, I'm pretty certain KFC will complete the termination of your account.